Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you.
Hey guys, welcome, what's up? Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So if you're new, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below in the comment section. Turn your post notification on so you get notified every time I post a new video. So this video, I did buy my dresser at Wayfair on the Black Friday sale, and I didn't get a chance to officially make it into a nice, aesthetically pleasing piece where it's just did it and we don't touch nothing upon it, because all they know say once me fix it, not for trouble. Yeah, so I did went to Ross and got a few things. Uno did see, because Uno did come shopping with me. So I'm gonna show you guys the things that I got from Ross, and I'm gonna show you how I try to put it together on the dresser. I'm not sure if how I set it now for the video, if that will be the final setting for it, but we just go see how it look. You know, I'm open to any suggestions. I'll take your suggestions if you don't feel like I need to turn something around, or if you don't think it need to stay. But we're gonna see what I want. Alright, so this bag right here, as I was saying in the vlog, I think it's best to get my candles from Ross or Burlington or one of them stores there. Reason being, I do love Bath and Body Works candle, you know, but the older I get is the wiser I get. Bath and Body Works is for mist, lotion, hand soap. Right now, that's about it. Because why am I going to get a small candle and for the same price I can get a nice big size candle that looks really nice as well, with the simple and aesthetically pleasing container, really big, and this smells good. Yeah, yep. So this was $9 for this one. May I look for the flavor? It's a Bloom and Prosper. It smells good, but I feel like in store they'd have a more buzzier smell. Alright, I also got this other one. This one is nice. This one, the cover not upon it because the lady had packaged it different. But she said she don't want them attached together. I mean, she covered it from the come home yesterday to keep the scent in. She don't want it to be tapping together and break. This is so cute. Like, this is the top, the bottom. Yeah, this is the Citrus Oasis. It smells really good. Smell really good. I mean, now telling some I love the bottom of the Rex candle. I mean, now tell you, right now I'm here and I'm considering should I go catch the sale for the last day. But if I go up, then I only gonna buy 1-2 candle. I only gonna buy 1-2 candle. So I'm probably just stay me on and just be okay with not getting any. So oops, the candle there, and we also have, oh gosh, I got this piece, this flowers, nice flowers. For you know me from ever since, I always love getting these types of orchids from the Jamaica days. This was $20. We're gonna put it right here. $20, and it's just perfect because it's not too tall. It just did the right height for the distance between the height between the dresser and the television. I also got this piece right here. Cute and nice. This was $11. That's my Christmas skirting a jingle. But I'm not gonna show. I'm gonna leave that for the when I do the tree. Yeah, I know your friend don't do the tree yet. I know she don't do the tree yet, but soon and very soon. I got this picture frame to put this photo I have, the one that I printed of me and babe. I was trying to see the size on it, but somehow it was not showing the size on the frame. I'm gonna still check it up. I'm like, if it's too big for the picture, then I'll go and return it and get a smaller one that will fit the photo perfectly. Alright. I also got, whoops, what's falling? I also got this big elephant. I got this elephant. You know, I saw it and I liked it and I got it. This was $10. This was $10, so I got it. Alright, so with the stuff that I got, I'm gonna shine them down. Make sure they're glossy and nice. Try to organize it to see how it look on the dresser. And then, you know, I couldn't give me enough feedback. Let you know, give me enough feedback. I want to think about it. So first, I'm gonna shine them down with my Old English Isle. I'm a piece of cloth. Give me a minute. Alright, so I'm gonna come a little closer. Let's see if we can do this together. So I'm going to keep this plant in the middle. However, I want to get like a vanity tray, but I'm not sure it. But let's see how it will work out with or without the vanity tray. I had this board one on it that I was just using as a holder. But I don't think I go. I don't think it will work. I don't think it will give me the vibe I want. Or I'm not sure. Let me just play around. I'm not sure. I don't want a lot on the dresser either. I don't want a lot on it. I don't know if I like the board or the front there. This for the back. Now the with or without. Now I'm gonna go and use it till I get another one. But with or without. The frame is right here. We're going to put the picture inside it and see how it looks. Alright guys, so I cut it down and it fits perfectly in the frame now. So I put by the piece of paper come in there Okay. And I'm putting on the back. Alright, so it fits and it looks nice. So we're going to take off, we're not at the price yet. Alright girl. I don't want my dress off for crowded. I just want it to be simple and to the point. My dresser back then used to be very crowded. In Jamaica, I used to keep the lotion, the spray, deodorant, all of that on it. You know, it's a Jamaica thing. But you never did. After a while, I did start minimize it. As I progress more and more, I move each and every time I do Jamaica. But now, we just don't want to have nothing on it. Like, I might, if I get the glass vanity tray, or even if in a glass or whatever, I'm getting one different vanity tray other than the one I have, because I'm not feeling this one. I had it out in the kitchen and me use it. I put something else in the space, so I have this rotating around. Not sure what we want to do with it, but me soon find this place to put it. But looking at it, no, me don't want it on it. Me not like it. It is just a whole space, as me say, make it look like something did dip on it. But let's look on it from far. Let's see. You know, so with my far lens eyes, in a look nowhere. In a look nowhere. With my far lens eyes, in a look nowhere with the far vision. So on off, wanna think, or I should replace it with. I'm gonna make it safe, you know. I don't know. As the video progress, what do we do if me keep it or not? But I think I'm gonna buy one other one. I definitely gonna buy one other one. I just probably keep it for now. I don't know, people. Anyways, other than those, I got this basket from Ross that I want to put my blankets in from a living room. You know, like when you're out in the living room and you are watching television and you get cold or whatever and you want to get hot, take something warm. This basket, I bought it for that purpose. And that's about it, other than the tree skirt. I'm not going to show you until I'm doing that vlog. And I spent $116 in Ross yesterday. With them, look at something I get. It came up to $116. You so quick money just blow it. So yeah, but let me know what you think. I am going to finish straightening up the room. It's almost night, but I'm going to finish straightening up the room, get myself situated for go to bed, and then go back in at the bed. It's just a thing. I like to make sure that my bed is well cleaned and well neat and tidy. For when me go in there, I feel extremely comfortable. So guys, this is where I'm going to end this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Should I keep this, replace it with a glass one, or not without? Leave it without. I am going to take the prices off. I like to try my things in the area that I have in mind before I take the prices off, because if you don't like them, you know I got them. Not true. Alright guys, so thank you for tuning to this Vlogmas video. Don't forget to like, to share, no. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love and appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye. Guys, I decided to keep the weave basket. Actually, I like it. From the perspective that I'm looking at it, I like it. I think you know, it give it like that different vintage look to it with the gold and the white and the black. I like it. What I need to get the I want to get the things that are used to cover the cords, so I can get those on Amazon, or I will still I can get it on I can get it on, what do you call it, in Walmart. So I'm just updating. As you guys can see, I took off all my prices because I'm keeping the frame, I'm keeping the plant. Yeah, and your girl just there at chill. I watch Disney Channel. Don't know why are they carrying these cartoons at this hour. Is that it? Yeah, I'm gonna do well with like Phineas and Ferb or something like that. But yeah, I'm just there chill. I'm wondering what I can add here, because I have a mirror over here, which I'm gonna take out the mirror here. I'm gonna change the mirror here. I'm gonna put probably, I don't know, I'm not sure if I finalize if I'll change the mirror here. Let's see how that works out. But I was saying probably take a taller mirror, probably not, I'm not sure. I mean the one that one I could have put right here, so like one nice views. No plant, no plants, no. I'm not sure it. I'm going to browse the internet, browse my mind, browse the phone, I'm going to see what I could do there. But I'm keeping my room as minimalistic as possible, clean, sleek, and nice. And so far, it's looking so good. Me and hubby, we love it. And yeah, I'm here, I'm chilling, and just a little know, so today I had a way better day. Like, I had a way today. Don't mind my wig I come up all this, I'll fix it if you go to school tomorrow. But today I had a way better day. I am feeling better. Big up each and every person that came out in the comment section and just left me something, a nice word, because just don't believe sometimes, you know, we need a mental break. And you know, I love to take my mental breaks, and if especially I'm not in the situation to take a mental break like I'm gonna really want to take it, sometimes I take it hard. But big up on yourself. Today is Vlogmas day 10. The video that is attached to this isn't a day 10 video done in the real time, but this is a real time video for today. So you know, big up on yourself. I just wanted to come back and just make a note, say today was a way better day. Today was a cool day, and I make it through today. And may I give God thanks. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Thank you so much for the support. Today I learned something. I tell a new trick. I told my little ones that I work with, I tell them, so if you do something good and you deserve a reward, kiss your brain. So kiss your brain. If you feel like you need a kiss, or you feel like you feel extra smart today, or something good going for you today, or you just feel like, you know, kiss your brain. May I kiss my brain? Because my brain mentally feel better today. Alright people, big up on yourself. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye.